To make a Christmas tree out of cardboard, we will need this kind of cardboard. Now we will mark one side of it at 1 inch. We will cut it. We will cut the strips like this. Now make 3 pieces of strips, one 28 inches, one 20 inches and one 12 inches. Fold them like this and make 3 rings. Now we will connect 4 strips in a ring at equal distance in this way. We'll mark on strips at 12 inches. Attach a ring to the mark like this. Again, mark on strips at 12 inches. We'll connect the remaining ring like this. Now we will add the strip to the gap. Now we will mark it at 6 inches. We will fold a paper stick and add it to the mark. Now we will attach the strip to the frame of our Christmas tree by folding it on one end like this. We have added all the strips, you can see. Now we will mark on the strips at 8 inches. Fold it from the mark upwards and attach it to the frame of the tree. We have added 4 strips. Now we will cut thin strips of half an inch. You can also use wide strips here. We will also add these to our frame as before. All the strips are added, you can see. Now we will fold strips like this and add them to our frame. This is complete, you can see. Now we will fold one of the strip like this and mark it at 4 inches. Add it to the frame like this. All strips connected, you can see. Friends, in the next part of the video, we will complete our Christmas tree. You will find the link of that video in the description and in the I button above. Friends, how did you like our video? Please tell by liking and commenting. If you like it, please share and also subscribe our channel.